How to contact Google Support live chat. So if you want to contact Google Support live chat, then let's see if it's possible or not. You can simply open up your Google browser and then you can search for Google Live Chat, and here you will have Google Chat Help, right? Click on that, and here you will have this kind of interface. So if you go for the Google Chat, then it will take you to the Google Chat application or the Google Chat interface, but it's not the live chat. So you can simply click on this bar, search bar, and then you can search for anything. So here you will have all of the topics. So if you simply go for any topic like get started with Google Chat, and here you will have all of the information of how to access or how to download the Google Chat application and everything. So if you want any information, then you will have all of the topics here. You can simply choose any topic like send a direct message or create a join spaces. Like you can simply search for anything, and once you've searched, you can go for that particular search or that particular option, and here you will have all of the information about. So you can have the information here, and you can also go for the right side where you will have all of these options, and you can simply have the information of every. But unfortunately, we don't have a live Google Chat. But if you tap on any one of that option, then you will have all of the steps with the solution. So that's it. Unfortunately, we don't have an option of Google Live Chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.